Hire a good plumber. Plumbers repair and install the pipes and drainage systems in homes and commercial properties and appliances or fixtures. Whether you have a leaky faucet or a bathroom remodel, having a reliable pro at the ready can save you time and money. With so many local and national service providers to choose from, the process of finding the plumber for your project can seem intimidating. As with any contractor you hire, there are few things to consider before hiring a plumber. Learn more about the basic qualification plumber needs to get the job done, as well as questions to ask to ensure you are choosing the right professional for your needs. Plumber qualifications. Plumbing issue require quick action before you run into more costly problems. Winter temperature can cause water lines to freeze, leading to damage inside your home's wall or ceilings. Backed up sewer lines will render your toilet useless or even worse, damage your floor or home's foundation. These are just a couple of examples of why you should always have a plumber on your contact list. However, how do you pick the best plumber and how much will their services cost? A plumber phase only one part of the equation when selecting a professional. Before you start asking for estimates, consider that a reputable plumber will have the following skills and qualification. Training. A college degree is not required in the plumbing industry. However, many plumbers learn the trade via apprenticeship and trade schools. Apprentices receive a training under the guidance of a journeyman or a master plumber. There's a coursework during the apprenticeship, and the programs usually take 3 to 5 years to complete. Uh, Licensure. Plumbers are one of the most regulated professions in the United States. Most states require plumbers to be licensed. Each state has its own set of licensing requirements, and the government agency that issues the license vary from state to state. To obtain a license, a plumber must be experienced, receive ongoing training, and stay up to date on current trends in the plumbing industry. A valid license means the plumbing professional also carries state mandated insurance and bonding. This ensures that your home is protected against any plumbing mishaps or damage incurred during the plumbing repair. Insurance. A plumber's general liability insurance protects the home or business owner from liability should the plumber accidentally damage the property or injure themselves during the job. Before hiring a plumber, ask to with their proof of insurance. All plumbers should have enough liability insurance to cover accidents that may happen while on your property. Some home insurance policies will cover the plumbing issue, the damages caused by sudden and unexpected water damage from a broken water pipe or other pipe malfunction. However, most policies exclude damages that are gradual, such as slow, constant leak, as well as damage due to regional flooding. Journey person versus non-journey person. A journey person, also known as journeyman, is an expert craftsperson that has completed an apprenticeship and passed the licensure exam required by the state. A journey person also carries a card of an occupational license. A non-journey person is an apprentice who is still in training or a plumber that has not obtained state license. Master plumber. These professionals work for 5 consistent years as a journeyman, have additional training and education, and take another exam to receive the certification. The master plumber test ensures the federal and state regulations, building codes, and advanced plumbing skills are mastered. The certification does take more time and money, but it also ensures that plumber is highly qualified to do a variety of plumbing jobs. Master plumbers do charge more per hour because of their advanced skills and may be worth the extra cost for intricate work that requires a skilled hand. Services a plumber offers. Plumbers install and maintain numerous types of piping system found in residential and commercial properties. Um, Typical responsibilities of a plumber depend on a particular project. All plumbers must follow blueprints, work with plumbing tools, have strong math skills, and know what kind of materials are required for each job. Fixing drains and toilets are only a portion of plumber job. Here are some services the plumbers offer: sewer water line replacement, pipe repair and replacement, dishwasher, and dryer installation, drain cleaning, garbage disposal services, water heater repair services, sewer septic repair, installation, inspection, and replacement of fixtures. How to hire a plumber. The key to choosing a plumber is to research both national and local companies, read reviews, and ask for family and friends' recommendations for reputable plumbers that they have hired in the past. You can also research a plumber's license and insurance and information through your state's Department of Labor or equivalent. Once you have narrowed down your choice, you can start with a phone interview or discuss topics like rates, qualification, and experience. Questions to ask a plumber: are you licensed and insured? Do you charge an hourly or flat rate? Can you provide references? Are you experienced with this kind of job? What are your payment expectations? May have an estimate in writing. Choosing the right plumber. Although most professional plumbers can take care of your repair, you need to find out that is reliable and best suited for the job at hand. Here are some tips to help you before the pick the right one. Check reviews and estimates from other homeowners in your area. Research the company or person or the Better Business Bureau website. Check out their competitors. Call other plumbers to get a free estimate if possible. Ask plenty of questions. The more questions you ask, the more knowledge you will gain about the job specifics and whether you are getting a reasonable quote. Get the estimate in writing. A professional plumber will allow you to review the contract before agreeing to any terms. Thank you so much.